today we are at Global Village, Dubai. I've just entered this place and I think I'm already in love with it. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Global Village is an exciting event which is held in Dubai every year between the months of October to April, where multiple countries across the globe come together to create this festival of culture, heritage, and lots of fun and happiness. 2019-2020 marked the 24th season, and they had over 78 countries that were represented this year. It's really like an opportunity to see the entire world in a single day. The amount of thought and planning that must have gone into creating this space is simply amazing. Every tiny detail has been thought about. They even have lockers for your baggage right at the entrance. After all, this is Dubai, and if you two had been on a shopping spree like us, these are perfect and extremely safe. I was so excited when I entered this place. I was really like a small child in Disneyland. And can you imagine, the cost of the ticket is only 15 dirham for adults and is absolutely free for children under the age of 3, senior citizens above the age of 65, and visitors with special needs. However, for special attractions like the carnival, circus, etc. within Global Village, you may have to purchase a separate ticket. The energy and vibe of this place is simply contagious. Who could have thought that the Burj Khalifa, Eiffel Tower, Big Ben, the pyramids, and so much more could all fit into one space, leave alone one single frame? One can get so easily overwhelmed by how massive this space is, so be prepared to walk a lot. We took nearly 5 hours and were still unable to see everything. I would definitely recommend to try and reach as early as possible. This place opens at 4 p.m. and is open till 12 a.m. on weekdays and 1 a.m. on weekends. There is really never a dull moment here. You are bound to get really carried away and tempted to spend some extra time at certain countries. So do not forget to maintain your pace if you actually want to see everything. My personal favorite was Iran, Africa, and Turkey.
My favorite part, let's explore the food.
There are lots and lots of food options throughout, even before you actually reach one of these food lanes, so your energy is always pumped up. Global options for a global palate. However, do not expect very fancy meals that are going to blow your mind away. However, there are some very interesting desserts and preparations unique to specific regions, and I would definitely recommend giving them a shot. The food is moderately priced, and the most expensive items could cost you 35 to 40 dirhams.
Ice cream! Hello! Hey baby, take it. Take it baby, take it. Ice cream. Turkish ice cream.
After grabbing a quick bite and having some of this amazing, refreshing pomegranate juice, we were all set for the next half and all the performances that were awaiting us. Performances, carnival, rides, fireworks. This place is a buzz with things to do. Plan, prioritize, and pick. From Turkish evil eye to the Russian nutcracker, from African mass to artisanal coffee, there is just so much to choose from. Whether you like to shop or not, there is a little something for everyone to buy, and lots of little knickknacks from around the world for gifting. Prices can be a little steep, but they also depend on the country that you shop from. For instance, Evil Eye from Azerbaijan were a lot cheaper than similar items in Turkey. The culture, architecture, heritage, and even the cuisine of so many countries have been so beautifully woven together that you feel like you've become a part of the story by the time you finish this fantasy world tour. Kudos to all the artists who created this beautiful space on the canvas of their mind and made it a reality on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road in Dubai. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed visiting this place. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.